Get a 8-pack of hot dog buns. Cut rectangles in the middle and push them down. Get minced garlic and parsley and pour it into melted butter. Start pouring it on the hot dog buns. Put it in the oven at 350 for 5 minutes. Place any kind of sliced cheese, then chili with or without beans. Then put 1 wiener. Then a little more of chili. Put it in the oven at 350 for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, add a little bit of parsley and cheese. Then after you're done doing all this, it's ready to eat.